You didn't. You missed it.
I did. You better do it again. What is it you're doing?
I'm spinning my candle, and then you have to click it, and that's how you get a picture of me.
Okay. Click.
Did you click it?
I clicked it.
But I see. That is me. Mom, watch me explode.
Okay.
I want to get big. I want to get my face in. There I am, big. Look, I'm getting small.
Let's do a cannonball. Where's the fire come out?
Of my butt. I want to see. Can I see, Mom? That's right.